Good.
Yeah, you're red-handed, alright.
I have some fancy footwork. She's fancy handwork. She's gonna be a drummer.
We'll keep that over here, though.
Look at her fancy little dwingin'.
Here. Now play. Look at.
Yep. So much for that.
They don't.
That's the end of the drumming session for right now.